So I made a VSC extension for the Comment CRC tool. So yeah, now you can just verify by just right-clicking the file or this little header thing up here, and it will conduct the validation. And you can renew. So this says it's expecting a division. So now the comment and the thing it's describing are the same. That's probably not the correct way to do it. Technically, you should make the comment agree. Multiplication. And then I can renew this inline. And then for this multiplies two numbers. Okay, so now this comment is correctly describing this here. So I can renew block comment, and I can add block comments. That was renew. I want create. There was a bug where this would wind up like this. Words, where the closing block comment characters would be in front of the Comment CRC marker, but now they're fine with that. So if I were to come in here and change this to something else, then validate, these will come up false, and then I can subtraction. Subtract two integers together. So now this comment is correctly describing this function, and so now I can renew. And of course, this doesn't prevent lying. Like if I said, and also buys ice cream, that's just wrong. There's nothing in here that has anything to do with buying ice cream. And if I were to renew this block comment, it'll pass. So all this does is just make sure that when this comment was made, or at least at some point in time, a programmer has said, this comment and this thing that's being described by the comment agree with each other. So yeah, that's my Visual Studio Code extension. I plan to also make one maybe for Notepad and Visual Studio, and specifically the Microchip Studio version of Visual Studio, but we'll figure that part out when I get there. So yeah, this is just a quick little update. It now works in Visual Studio Code.